Chapter 6 in the Wieldy text is a short little chapter. I think you'll kind of enjoy it. It sort of goes in a different direction. It gives us sort of a foundation in something that's very important that we'll carry through all our discussions with electrical machines. It's called Efficiency and Heating of Electrical Machines. And he tells us in the introduction there in 6.0 that whenever an electrical machine transforms energy from one form to another, there are always losses. And those losses are a certain thing. And because of these losses, there are two things that always happen in regard to the losses. Number one is there's an increase in temperature in the machine. And the second thing that occurs is there's a decrease in the efficiency of the machine. He goes on to tell us that, you know, there are fundamentally two types of electrical machines. There are those that rotate and those that don't. When we're talking about those that rotate, we're talking about, you know, motors and generators. And the electrical machines that do not rotate, and sometimes we forget to think about these as being electrical machines, would primarily be the transformer. Okay, so there's two types of losses that we're going to look at. We're going to look at electrical losses and mechanical losses. And of course, with the non-rotating electrical machine, the transformer, there are no mechanical losses. So the rotating machines have both types of losses, electrical and mechanical. He goes on to say we can analyze these losses, and we're going to analyze them in terms of a DC machine because that's where we are in the course. But the same things absolutely apply, and the same processes and all apply for AC machine. You know, the other thing here too, and this is something that is very common in this area. Heating of electrical machines is many times not fully understood by those that work with them regularly. And so, you know, it's a very important thing to take into consideration. And it is one of the primary, if not the primary causes of electrical machine failure. And the thing that we want to get used to and sort of thinking about in terms of this heat is the class of insulation that, you know, are designated for certain machines. And that is primarily due to the type of heat that they are exposed to. So anyway, a little introduction to this chapter. Like I said, it's a short chapter. There's not a lot of calculations and all to it. It's a little bit different topic for us, and I think you'll kind of enjoy it as we move through it.